Want to build an e-commerce website? If your answer is yes, then this series is for you. Hello everyone, my name is Sunanda Somwase. I have made this series for those who want to learn how to develop an e-commerce website using Django. So let us see what we are going to learn in this series. Right now, you are looking at the final website we will be developing throughout the series. Basically, I am making a website for a bookshop. So let us see what are the different features our website will be having. Well-developed login, profile and user system. You can have a look at the login and register page as well as user's profile page. We will be adding products with various attributes. We will be adding the cart feature in our website. You can have a look at our cart right now. Using this cart feature, our customers can check out. We will be integrating PayPal's payment gateway to our website. You can see this button here which will direct us to the PayPal's payment gateway. We are having separate admin side for the website. Using this admin site, a shopkeeper can have various controls and the statistics of our website. We will be having many more features like ratings and review systems for our products, creating various categories to our products, adding partners to the site, create a customized store, and many more. To develop our website and create these various features, we will be using Django Oscar framework. Let me tell you a bit more about Django Oscar. Oscar is an e-commerce framework for building domain-driven applications. Oscar is highly extendable, flexible and customizable framework. We will be using Django Oscar framework. So let us see what will be our learning flow. I have created this playlist on YouTube. Well, we will first see how to install and set up Django Oscar in our system. Then I will walk you through the various features of our admin side and user side of the website. Then we will see how to customize templates in Django Oscar. After that, we will learn how to add categories, partners and products in our website. Then we will understand Oscar's inbuilt applications. Django Oscar is a framework and we would like to know what are the different inbuilt applications are there in our framework. Next, we will learn how to customize Oscar's inbuilt app. We will learn to customize Oscar's inbuilt app so that you can anytime make changes in that app according to you. Then we will learn how to customize Oscar's default models and default views, URLs, etc. Then we will see how to integrate PayPal's payment gateway to our project. After that, we will learn how to customize and make the UI of our website beautiful. In the end, I will help you in solving the common errors you get during the complete development process. We will be editing our code in Visual Studio Code Editor and the code will be in Python. I really hope you guys will like this series and it will help you. I have added the link to the complete playlist in the description box as well as in comment box. Do watch the complete series. Thank you so much for watching this video.